Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about grammar. Grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is the study or science of rules for words and structure of the language. You can define English grammar as the set of rules and principles dealing with word structures and sentence structure is called English grammar. And why we use grammar? We use grammar in order to present comprehensible sentences. If you know that grammar is the backbone of the language. If a person has prompt command on grammar, he can speak beautiful sentences and also sentences that are understandable for the others. Here it is important to note that Lindley Murray is the father of English grammar. So let's make it simple for you with the help of this written description. I am Muhammad Arslan and you are watching Grammar A to Z. Grammar is the study or science of rules for words that we utter and structures of a language. English grammar is the set of principles, regulations, or rules dealing with the word structures. Morphology. Morphology is the branch of linguistics that deals with words structures and sentence structure, syntax. It's also a branch of linguistics that deals with sentence structure of the English language. In English, there are two kinds of grammar: prescriptive grammar and descriptive grammar. Prescriptive grammar deals how people think language should be. According to people perspective, how people think language should be is prescriptive grammar. Descriptive grammar based on how language is actually used. It told us how language actually used in writing and speaking. So the next thing, what is the use of grammar? As I told you, grammar is the backbone of the language. Without grammar, you are unable to make sentences. You are unable to write articles and essays. And if you write sentence and there is a grammatical mistake in it, it is an absurd sentence. It is not comprehensible. So let's start from here. It specifies how a language and its grammar rules should be used. That particular thing told us the grammar. How to use the rules of the language. The rules of the grammar of the language is the ultimate grammar. For example, we must never end a sentence with a preposition. Do you ever find a sentence like this? I go to. Because this is preposition. Preposition show relationship between two things. So that is the rule of the grammar. If we never end a sentence on a preposition. Using correct grammar makes listening and reading easier for others. When a person listens to you or reads something and there is no grammatical mistakes, the ultimate thing is the understanding in his or her brain. So you convey your understanding, you convert your whatever you thoughts in your mind clearly with the help of the grammar, and can make the communication process more enjoyable. So if I say eat I banana, and then you think, what are you saying, man? If I say I eat banana, then you can understand I am saying I am eating something. I am eating a fruit. Let's look like somehow. Let's look like that somehow. And I know that I'm really bad at drawing. Why we use grammar? Why? It helps to express ideas effectively. Without grammar, a sentence is broken. and incomprehensible, as I said before in the example of I eat banana. Lindley Murray is best known as the father of English grammar. So whenever someone asks you, who is the father of English grammar? Then you can say that Lindley Murray is best known as the father of English grammar. Here, one important thing. In grammar, the most important thing is word order. In simple, you can say that placement of words. Where to put subject, where to put verb, where to put object, where to put adjective, where to put adverb, where to put a conjunction, where to put interjection. Word order is the most important thing in the grammar. So in order to learn grammar, first of all learn word order. That's all for today, but somehow the concise and precise summary of your lesson is that grammars are rules and principles that deal with words and structures of the language. Thank you.